Is your bathroom starting to feel a bit old and dull? Ready to ditch that boring old wash basin? It's time for a refreshing change with Ruhe's premium collection of wash basins. Our secure damage-free delivery promises your wash basin arrives in perfect condition, backed by extra protective packaging. No cracks, no breakage. At Ruhe, we bring you a stunning range of wash basins that aren't just built to last but also pack a punch in terms of design and practicality. Whether you want a striking tabletop for your vanity or a sleek wall-hung basin for minimalist look or a counter basin that smoothly blends in with your marbles, we've got all you need. But there's more. Our basins don't just look good. They're designed to keep your bathroom hygienic with an antibacterial coating and are absolutely stain resistant, keeping them spotless with minimal effort. Thanks to the high gloss finish and quick drying surface, you can say goodbye to watermarks and hello to easy cleaning. You can choose from round, square or oval designs in different colors to match your bathroom's vibe perfectly. Plus, our wash basins come with optimally sloped surfaces, so you will never have to deal with standing water. And even if you change your mind, we've got you covered with 30 days easy return and exchange policy plus a 10-year warranty for your total peace of mind. If you wish to purchase any of these stunning pieces today, head over to www.ruheindia.com. Get an extra 5% off site-wide on prepaid orders with code RUHE5. Now's your chance to give your bathroom a fresh, bold look without any hassle.